Welcome. In front of me is an ROG Phone 7 from ASUS, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're gonna need to swipe down on our home screen to get the toggles. Swipe down once more, and this will extend the list of toggles. Now, obviously we were looking for hotspot toggle, which is visible on the first page right over here for me. So once you see this toggle, simply hold it. This will then take you to the settings where number one, you most likely want to select your hotspot password, and you can obviously see right here that it is just a random jumbled mess of letters and numbers. So I recommend completely removing it and setting up your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. So therefore 1 through 8 for me. Anyway, that works for me. So you can confirm it. Now there's a couple additional settings in here, but if you don't know what these settings do, I recommend keeping them as they are by default, which will ensure that your hotspot basically works with any kind of smart device that you will use in the future. So from there we can just close this, find the toggle once again, tap on it to enable our hotspot, and now we can connect to it. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is that when you're using your hotspot, it will consume a little bit more battery, so it will be beneficial to you to turn it off once you're finished with it. So you would do so by tapping on the toggle once again. I'm going to quickly open it up just to check. We do also have the option right here, which I recommend keeping on, to turn off hotspot automatically after 5 minutes of an activity. You can increase this to, for instance, 10 minutes if you find that 5 minutes is a little bit too short. And that will ensure that even when you forget about your hotspot running in the background and you're done using it, the phone will automatically turn it off for you after the selected time period. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.